Guys,
Hey.
what do you want to do for dinner tonight?
Oh, great question. Our friend Sarah brought us that really good sourdough. Maybe
Oh.
we can use that for something.
Oh, we can make gourmet sandwiches.
Oh, I like that idea.
I like
Let's do
that. Gourmet
Absolutely.
sandwiches. Let's go.
Absolutely.
2 seconds later.